Welcome to Singapore. Do you have any day trips planned to visit Singapore yet? Let's suggest another day tour to visit the top 3 attractions in the city for you. Assume that we start the tour from your address at the Ibis Budget Hotel at Lorong 6, Geylang Road. The first destination is Universal Studios Singapore on Sentosa Island, where you can visit 6 theme zones within 3 hours. The second destination is Marina Bay, and the last destination of the tour is Chinatown to explore Chinese culture and cuisine. The tour duration is approximately 8 hours and 10 minutes. You're heading to the first destination, Universal Studios Singapore. Universal Studios Singapore is a theme park located within the Resorts World Sentosa integrated resort at Sentosa in Singapore. It features 28 rides, shows, and attractions in 6 themed zones. It is the second Universal Studios theme park in Asia and the 5th around the world. Universal Studios Singapore attracted more than 4.5 million visitors in 2019 before the COVID-19 pandemic outbreak, according to Statista.com. The 6 themed zones include Hollywood, New York, Science Fiction City, Ancient Egypt, The Lost World, and Far, Far Away. Each zone is mostly based on movies and/or television, featuring its own attractions, meet and greet locations, over 30 restaurants and food carts, and 20 retail stores and carts located around the park. Entry tickets for travelers are 82 Singapore dollars for adults and 61 Singapore dollars for children ages 4 to 12. The next destination is Merlion Park. It is a famous Singapore landmark and a major tourist attraction, located at 1 Fullerton, Singapore, near the Central Business District. The Merlion is a mythical creature with a lion's head and the body of a fish that is widely used as a mascot and national personification of Singapore. 2 Merlion statues are located in the park. The original Merlion structure measures 8.6 meters tall and spouts water from its mouth. It has subsequently been joined by a Merlion cub, which is located near the original statue and measures just 2 meters tall. The last destination of the tour is Chinatown. According to Wikipedia, Chinatown is a subzone and ethnic enclave located within the Outram district in the central area of Singapore. Featuring distinctly Chinese cultural elements, Chinatown has had a historically concentrated ethnic Chinese population. Chinatown is considerably less of an enclave than it once was. However, the precinct does retain significant historical and cultural significance. Large sections of it have been declared National Heritage Sites, officially designated for conservation by the Urban Redevelopment Authority. Chinatown is the best place in Singapore, with hundreds of restaurants, ranging from the best street food shops to places that frequently make lists of the world's very best restaurants. This is also a bustling place for tourists to come to shop for souvenirs for their friends and family on their Singapore trip. If your family travel with 2 adults and a kid, the total tickets you need is minimum 225 Singapore dollar. For transportation and tour guide service, please lease with us via email to get the best quotes for you.